The thing that makes your business stand out from the competition is you. Now, this is not a new idea. I'm sure that you've heard it before. But it can be hard to see it from a client's perspective, and that's what I want to do for you today. I want to help you experience what it's like to be in your client's seat. Now, this process works whether you're a coach, an expert in your field, whether you're selling a product or a service. I want to use the product illustration so that you can see that you can create 5 distinctly different businesses with the exact same product. The product that I'm going to use, for example, today is a candle. And I'm going to show you a candle business using 5 different vendors. Vendor 1 is your friend Franny. Now, Franny loves these candles. She uses them, she thinks they're fantastic, and she's decided to sell them. She tells her friends, she posts online, she sends emails. She makes sure you know what new products are out and what kind of sales that they're having. She's your friend, so you want to support her, so you buy a candle from her whenever you're in the market for a candle. Now, vendor 2 is Scientific Sally. Now, she loves the candles because they are chemical-free. She understands all the health benefits. She shares behavioral studies. She tells you which candles have additional benefits like odor reducing or an energizing candle to put in your office or a relaxing candle to put in your bedroom. So while Franny is your friend, you can't help but follow Sally because she's offering you incredibly valuable information. It's no longer just about a candle. It's about something good that you're doing for yourself and for your family. Or if you're giving a gift to someone, it's not just a candle. It's something that's going to benefit them. Vendor 3 is Heartfelt Heather. Now, she's learned about the power of giving back, which is part of this company. She's learned that the ingredients are sourced from US-based family-owned farms. She's done the extra work to learn about these families. She shares their stories. She understands the positive changes that are being made because of the commitment that this company has made to these farms. She features a family every single month. She shows their photos. She shares their tweets. So you really get invested and kind of get to know the farms and the family that this company impacts. She creates collections of products for each farm so that if you get really invested in a particular story, you can make sure you're purchasing a product sourced from that particular farm. So now when you buy a candle, it's not just a candle. You love it. It's one of your favorite products, but you're also investing in a US-based family farm and making an impact in that way. Vendor 4 is Party Patty. Now, she is a bundle of energy. Being around her is an experience of its own. She makes a splash anywhere she goes. She shares with you how to live every moment to its fullest. How, if you create the right lighting with the right candle, if you choose the right color, put it in the right place, make sure it's the right size, the right scent, whatever it happens to be, you can take any experience to the next level. Every week she creates a video. She tells you what event she's attending, who she'll be with, or a gift that she's giving. She shares recipes. She talks to you about how to up-level any experience. She shows a photo of the same atmosphere with the candle and without the candle so that you can see how the atmosphere is transformed. And you're so amazed by what she comes up with that you just have to try it. Now, last but not least is vendor 5, Traditional Tracy. Her passion is to make a house a home. She wants to make sure you can do that, and she believes candles are a really easy way to bring the extra touch of warmth to your home. She gives you decorating tips using candles to create that extra homey touch. She teaches you what scents to use when you're having guests over, how to make sure you don't have any embarrassing, stinky bathrooms. She helps you evoke the atmosphere of the holidays using both the atmosphere and the scent that candles bring. From decor to hospitality to cleaning, Tracy does her best to help you create the best home environment. Now, did you notice how with the exact same product, with the exception of the first vendor, each of these ladies used their passion and their personality to create an entirely different business? And did you see the difference that it makes? No matter what industry you're in order to scale your business, you can't rely on having a great sale or new trendy products or even just the product itself. You need to add your passion and your personality into the mix to get people hungry for what you in particular have to offer. So that way you're not chasing them, but they are following you. You're just 5 quick questions away from figuring out what your unique business style is. So hit the button below and find out now.